I'm sure by now you've heard of NotebookLM, Google's AI research assistant, where you upload your materials, your documents, your notes, and it goes to work for you. It can turn your sources into an audio overview, like a podcast, and where you can actually jump into the conversation and ask questions. And that's not all. It can create reports, mind maps, quizzes, flashcards, infographics, slide decks, data tables, and even video overviews. The tool does a lot. And if you're like most people, you're doing what most people do, watching video after video, trying to find that one tutorial that finally makes it click. And then you keep searching down the rabbit hole because the YouTube algorithm doesn't care about our learning, it cares about watch time. You are not overwhelmed by AI. We are all overwhelmed by bad tutorials. You can master Notebook LM in no time. 2 videos. That is it. This is AI and me. I watch hours of tutorials so you don't have to. Every episode, I give you 2 videos. One for the mechanics, where to click, how to use a tool, and then the second one for the system, how to think with it, how to make it stick. So here are the 2 videos you are going to watch. First, Kevin Strever's How to Use Notebook LM 2025 Update. In this video, Kevin walks you through the interface. He shows you how to upload your sources and demonstrate every feature so you understand what is actually possible. And then secondly, you are going to watch Tiago Forte's Notebook LM Will Change How You Learn. Tiago goes deeper. It doesn't just show you the buttons, it teaches you how to think with the tool. It shows you how to take scattered PDFs, articles, notes, even YouTube videos, and turn them into a structured 4-week curriculum, like a university course. So instead of drowning in disconnected information, you build a complete learning system. And that is how you integrate this tool into your actual workflow. So here's your weekend challenge. Watch both videos, then pick one project you are already working on, upload 5 sources, ask 10 questions, and create one usable output. It could be a study guide, an outline, quizzes, flashcards, an audio overview, or video overview. Please do not aim for perfection, aim for usable, because the people who win with AI are not the people who watch the most content. They are the people who build a simple workflow and actually use it. The links are in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to AI and me for more videos like this. See you in the next video.